Demand for COVID testing in Tarrant County now is expected to stay high for the next 2 to 3 weeks. That's the estimation. County leaders said that there's plenty of availability, though, if people will just look around. Jason Allen did that for you today. He's live in Bedford, so curiosity, what'd you find?
Well, we found exactly that, Doug, and this spot in Bedford is kind of an example for that. Now, there are a few more people in line tonight as people get done with work for the day, but early this afternoon, you could have still made an appointment for this evening. You really could have just driven up at any time, and county leaders are pointing out today that there are probably some people waiting in some of these lines who don't need to.
In South Fort Worth, drive-up testing traffic was steady but light. In Arlington, a little heavier, but nothing substantial. And during a surge in interest that's moved testing counts from a dozen a day to hundreds, Tarrant County officials pushed back against criticism they said they received that there aren't enough places to get a test.
So there's plenty of options. People just need to be a little patient and not just look at the first site, okay, let me go over here. Call around. Who's got an appointment? Who doesn't have a long wait time and then go?
Including county, state, and private sites, Public Health Director Vinny Tenasia told county commissioners Tuesday there are as many as 100 locations operating. And some people getting in line for tests, he said, likely don't need them.
I have always discouraged what I call freak-out testing.
That would be running out to get one when you're healthy or exposed, rather than waiting 5 days or for symptoms to come on. Not every case even needs to be counted, Tenasia said. There was less alarm from county leaders over this surge and more acknowledgement people have ways to protect themselves.
None of us can predict or understand this virus and why someone might get it and why someone else doesn't.
The message today is really to not let this surge scare you.
The county judge applauded staff today who have been working at these sites with this increased demand. Reportedly, some of them have been yelled at, cursed at, even spit at in one instance by people who have been frustrated over, at times, having long waits, Doug.
That's just flat out wrong. Jason, thank you so much for taking us inside today.